So you're wondering, how do I get started in the vending machine business? How to get locations, etc. Yo, what's going on? Todd Street's Vending here. Got this up and running. Another machine over there, placing it right here. Had to open the door so the mover can move it in here. Make sure your machines are big enough or small enough to fit a door like that. And this is the day in the life of a vending machine. Route. Alright. Remember, Tide treats vending. Let's treat your vending needs, alright? I talk to y'all. Stay blessed. Yo, made a pit stop at 7-Eleven. We're about 10 minutes away from the first location. Going to 2 locations, maybe 3 locations today. Who knows? Just gotta restock it since we got 2 locations. Alright. I talk to y'all when I get to my first location. Alright. Made it to the first location. I had to learn how to reprogram this, change the prices. I'm gonna do that when I get home. But so far, looks good. See y'all when I'm at the next location. All right, we here at the second location. Basically, I just finished stocking up the snack machine, and I'm going over what some expired stuff and some leftover snacks I could have put in the machine. So you're wondering, how do I get started in the vending machine business? How to get locations, etc. Cold call and buying routes, buying different accounts that has vending machines on location, and then buying it from there. Make sure if you're doing that, get a contract and some type of paper agreement so both parties know there is no confusion at all. Be sure to speak to the point of contact as well, which is the owner or manager at the location. Right here, checking the prices and changing them. Since I moved this machine from a different location onto a new one. And this is basically what I do every time I stock these machines. I stock these machines bi-weekly since they're new. But I'm probably going to stock them every month or tri-weekly every 3 weeks. Let me know in the comment section any questions y'all have. Right now I have 5 machines, looking to expand after school ends. Buy more accounts. Make sure you network. This vending business is real simple. It's all about networking at the end of the day. Those are places that already have machines. Ask the owner of those machines, hey, are you selling any machines, any accounts? Or they know someone who sells vending machines. If you're looking to learn how to repair these machines, you feel me? Search it up on YouTube or on Google, how to repair this. And search up the model and the brand name for each one. The reason I started in this industry, the vending machine industry, because in school I started selling snacks, drinks, candy to my peers, my classmates, my friends, even teachers. They liked the idea, so I kept with it. I think I made about $1,000 in order to get a vending machine, put it at a location. That's my why I started. What's your why? Let me know in the comments why you started in the vending machine business. Finally, make sure you do your legal stuff. Get your license, get your insurance, get anything you need to stay protected, LLC for tax benefits. You don't have to go all out, just the basics, all right? You can have a website, not always required. Business cards are great, but word of mouth, that's the best way, in my opinion, the best form of marketing. And right here, I'm just locking up the soda machine. Everything is fine right now. I tested it. Every motor. Do that every single time because you don't want a jam machine for about a month. That's not fun at all. Making no money. Speaking of money, this is not a passive business at all. It requires a lot of work to get started. Later on in the future, you have your employees. That's passive, yes. And don't go out, flex your money when you first start. See all over the internet, flexing money. At the end of the day, most of that money's going straight back to the business itself. That money right there is not profit, is gross sales, not net. Remember that. No shots at all to the content creators who flexes money. At the end of the day, they're making money too by flexing money. But don't get so caught up in the money. Get caught up in expanding the business. You feel me? We're done with the second location. You saw the process. I'll refill the machine. Got lollipops in here. You get two things. You're getting chips. You get chips and lollipops for the same price. So out of here. I might go to the third location. I might. If I do, I see y'all. If I don't, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow my vending journey. Todd Trees Vending. All right. Talk to y'all.